Hello everyone and welcome to the first video in our Next.js tutorial series. My name is Ermias Zagu and today we will delve into the fundamentals of Next.js and explore why it's become such a popular framework for modern web applications. Let's start by addressing the question, what exactly is Next.js, its core features and the prerequisite knowledge you are expected to have. Next.js is a powerful React framework designed for building full-stack web applications. Utilizing React components for user interfaces and Next.js for additional features and optimizations, it is often referred to as the production-ready React framework. Next.js streamlines development by automating tasks like bundling and compiling, allowing developers to focus more on building interactive, dynamic, and fast applications. Next.js has several features such as routing, rendering, data fetching, styling, and TypeScript support. Let's see each of them one by one. Routing. Next.js provides a robust file-based route built on server components, supporting layouts, nested routing, loading state, error handling, and more. This concept, including layouts, nested routes, loading state, and error handling, will be covered extensively in upcoming videos. Rendering. Next.js offers both client-side and server-side rendering with client and server components. It further optimizes rendering with static and dynamic rendering on the server. Data fetching. Simplified data fetching is achieved with async await in server components, along with an extended fetch API for request memoization, data caching, and revalidation. Styling. Next.js supports various styling methods, including CSS modules, Tailwind CSS, and CSS in JS. Image, fonts, and script optimization. Next.js optimizes images, fonts, and scripts to improve core web vitals and user experience. TypeScript support. Next.js seamlessly integrates TypeScript for better type checking and more efficient compilation. So, what are the benefits of using Next.js? Next.js offers a rich feature sets and provides a great developer experience with its intuitive API and extensive documentation. Highly customizable and scalable. It is suitable for projects of all sizes. When it comes to the use case, commonly used for e-commerce websites, blogs, portfolio sites, and enterprise-level applications. Next.js's flexibility and performance makes it a popular choice among developers worldwide. So, in conclusion, Next.js is a versatile and powerful framework for building modern web applications. In the rest of this tutorial series, we will dive deeper into Next.js concepts and show you how to harness its full potentials to create amazing projects. To wrap up our introduction to Next.js, I hope you now have a better understanding of what Next.js is and why it is such an exciting framework to work with. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on Next.js. Thanks for watching.